In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a shield in Minecraft on the Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, you will need to craft a shield. This can be done by using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wooden planks in this formation and then a single iron ingot. You will be able to acquire a shield. Now, what you can do is equip the shield in your offhand slot, that way you don't have to hold it every time. Immediately upon placing it on this slot, your character will begin to hold the shield. Now, if you try to press any buttons, any triggers, nothing will bring up the shield. What you have to do to actually bring up the shield is sneak. So, as you can see, as soon as you sneak, which to my knowledge is going to be by pressing down the joystick on console, you will be able to bring up the shield. So there will be this clear distinction. As you can see, the shield is pushed forward and you can see it come up. Now, the shield is being held up. If I were to summon a skeleton and go into survival mode, he will start shooting at me and I can demonstrate the shield. So as you can see, I'm sneaking and it blocks the shot. It can even reflect back to them if you are close enough. Now, I'm going to take the shield away and you will see that I'm going to take damage. So make sure that you are always crouched when you see an enemy. You can walk up close to them to make them hit themselves, and you can also, of course, just melee them as well. Now, your shield also has durability. So if I go over here to the side and I open my inventory, you will notice that it is being consumed. So once you block enough projectiles, you will have to craft a new one. It's very important that you are aware of the durability of your shield and you make new ones as necessary. But this is all you have to do to actually use your shield. Just crouch and the shield will be brought up. I hope I was able to help you on how to use shields in Minecraft on the Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.